Today we're learning the classic cocktail recipe of a whiskey sour. Hey everybody, Michael from Polly here. We love catering to all of our guests, and of course that means providing vegan-friendly cocktails that are made with no animal products. We're briefly just going to talk a little bit about vegan cocktails also, and it's very interesting today because we're doing a sour, which typically does use egg whites. And so today, instead of our egg whites, we will be using chickpea brine or Aquafaba. So Aquafaba is a very easy alternative for us bartenders for our vegan friends. Pretty much it's as simple as opening a can from Coles that you can buy and using that juice inside. And of course, we don't like to waste, so you can use those chickpeas for dinner. We can make nice nut snacks with those chickpeas. So many different things, especially if you're a bigger restaurant and have an open kitchen. And also you do have to be aware of the base spirit you're using with the cocktail, as there are a lot of spirits that do use animal products when making their spirit. So when making a whiskey sour, similar to our old fashioned, we ask the guest, do they like it smoky or sweet? This will tell us if they'd like a nice scotch, which is smoky, or a nice bourbon, which is more sweet. Also, you can play with the sugar to lime ratio here to really cater to the guest, but today we're keeping it simple, using 60 ml of our Old Forester bourbon, which is of course vegan, not made of any animal products. So 2 shots, 2 ounces. We're using half of that, which is our citrus, lime juice in this case, 30 ml, 1 shot, and we're using half a shot or half an ounce, 15 ml of our sugar syrup 1-to-1 part ratio. And our garnish today, very easy, will be a lemon wedge. We are doing our whiskey sour straight up today, meaning served on no ice. 60 ml of our whiskey, 30 ml of our lime juice, with no pulp, 15 ml of our sugar syrup, and so it's about 20 ml of chickpea brine or Aquafaba. I forgot to put ice in the glass before we started, but what are you going to do? Sometimes you forget. So as we want this drink nice and frothy, we are going to be shaking twice. A wet shake and a dry shake. Firstly, a wet shake. Pouring our ingredients. And now we're going to dry shake. Dumping the ice. And straining it. Now adding the garnish. And I'm going to be adding a flower as well. So normally it doesn't go with the flower, but I think it looks nice. Serving napkin. And that's ready to go. Quick sip. Delicious. Thanks for watching, we really appreciate it. We'll see you in our next video.